Guys, you might be wondering what is this? Well, it's my bird trapper. Yep. So there's some sparrows right over here, and I realized that they eat these bird seeds that I feed to my birds. So what if I catch one and just immediately let it go? That would be so cool if I actually managed to catch one. Like, I'm going to be waiting right over here, and then like once the bird's inside. Oh yeah, I need to learn how to be faster. Guys, imagine the bird hits the two markers over there and literally just activates the trap itself. Like, look, going to stay over here, and then when the bird is there, what the? Bruh, that's so fast. It's so fast it even removed the other marker. We need to find the other marker. Guys, I found the cap, but I just can't find the blue marker. Bro, it was too fast, man. Maybe went under. It's right over there. Bruh, it went too fast. Man. Though that was really good. And I'm going to make another short about when I trap the bird. So yeah, I'll do it later when I trap the bird. Yeah. See you. So see you. See you in the next short, guys. Peace.